Hey everybody, Steve Burns here from Creality.com. So as you can see, the bottom half of the saucer section is just about complete and it's looking really good. Um, I'm pretty happy with the way this one is actually turning out. You can see a little bit of the infill there. That's about where it's got to complete it. That's going to basically come upward, and that's going to comprise the transporter section of this reimagined enterprise. And then a little more detail back here where this would actually connect with the neck of the starship. And the client will have to glue it on, or however they choose to actually adhere to it. So far so good. It's just about done. It should be done today. So when it's complete, I'll have another video out to share the success of this one. Steve Burns from Creality.com, signing off.